Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can make a rolling credit in Premiere Pro. So first, when you're here in your Premiere Pro, what you want to do is you need to go to this text icon right here. You just need to click on it, and you want to just click on the screen that you see right here. You want to click on that, and you want to type in whatever you want. Okay, so I've typed in my text. And what you want to do is I'm actually gonna just reposition this actually into the middle. And now you want to go to vector motion right here. You want to click on this stopwatch icon, and you want to go to the end of the clip. After that, you want to just increase this right here. Right, there you go. Now if you play it from the beginning, it will be like this. So now you know how to make a rolling credit in Premiere Pro. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.